Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna tell you how to fix invalid destination address on Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on new videos and stay updated. Let's get started.